This is CrossblogxTV. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Ẹ̀yin tèmi, ó tún ti ṣẹlẹ̀ o. President Ayọ̀délé tún ti jáde o. Pẹ̀lú àwọn ìkìlọ̀ tó lágbára fún President Tinubu àtàwọn APC party. Wọ́n ní Donald Trump ń gbé àwọn ìgbésẹ̀ kan láti fi Jonathan gba ìjọba lọ́wọ́ Tinubu. Ẹ̀yin tèmi, ṣé bó ṣe rí nìyẹn? Wọ́n ní Jonathan ń gbé ìgbésẹ̀ tó lágbára láti sọpọ́tì Jonathan láti yọ ìjọba Tinubu kúrò ní orí oyè. Àwọn ìran yìí lágbára o. Bẹ́ẹ̀ kan náà ni wọ́n tún ríran sí Minister for Youth. Wọ́n ní àwọn youth ń gbèrò láti kọjú ìjà ńlá sí ìjọba o. Torí ebi ń pa àwọn aráàlú, àwọn youth gan ebi ń pa wọn. Wọ́n ní tó bá dé time kan, àwọn youth gan ò ní gbọ́ o. Wọ́n nígbà ilẹ̀ máa ní tó bá wọn ìkẹ́ gbọ́, tó bá wọn ìkẹ́ gbà pé àwọn wòlíì tó fẹ́ jẹun wọn tún ti dé. Bóyá àwọn ń parọ́ ni o, bóyá Ọlọ́run ló ń parọ́ ni o, àbẹ́yàn ló ń parọ́. Wọ́n ní very soon ó máa yé yín o. Ẹ jẹ́ á máa gbọ́ ẹ̀kúnrẹ́rẹ́ àwọn àṣírí tí President Ayọ̀délé tú lórí àwọn ohun tó máa ṣẹlẹ̀ nínú ìjọba yìí àti àwọn ìjọba kákàkiri gbogbo àgbáyé àti àwọn ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ kákàkiri. Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ lẹ́nu President Ayọ̀délé.
Important to the I'm to tell the both opposition and ruling party these warnings. Well, Donald Trump wanted to support Jonathan. Donald Trump is planning to use Jonathan against you, Tinubu. Take it or you don't take it. Just watch out on this. He's desperate to use Jonathan. Well, nothing else God have revealed to me thereafter. Maybe Jonathan should listen or not to listen. But I'm just giving the ruling party what is ahead of them. Is either they follow, they look at it properly, or they say, don't mind them. This man, na lie, na fake, na 419, na newscaster, na CNN. They talk, make them leave them. Time will tell. Equatorial president. The equatorial president, if he's not careful, he can slum equatorial president. Please take things easy and even vacate the seat. Then this very important message to Minister of Youth. Please do all that is needful about youth. The youth in Nigeria, they are angry, but you may not see it now. The president should also act on this. You don't need influencer. You need to do all the needful. If you gather influencer in the villa 1 million times, it will not change what is on ground though. Hey. There's no amount of influencer that will change position of things rather than to do the needful. If you think that you want to canvass influencer to convince the nation or convince people about your government, it might be nil. What am I saying in a nutshell is that do that what is needful. Youth will get angry. The thing is piling up. By the time it explode, Mr. President, youth minister, you may not have the capacity to withstand it. So all the things that are necessary to be done at appropriate time, do it before it's too late. Do it before the country gets exploded. Youth are angry. They are planning certain things that I cannot explain. That can make Nigeria economy to stand still. They may listen, they may not listen, they may not like what I'm saying, but that is a fact. I'm giving you hidden things that is coming soon. That is why beware of controversial bill that people will not like, that can cause so many issues. You will see that at a certain point, as from next year, dollar will be getting weak. The moment the BRICS nation launches their money, they will use it to fight dollar, and dollar may go silent because of Donald Trump's policies and what have you. And however, the BRICS nation we dominate. There's no amount of fight that Donald Trump want to fight them that he can win them.